Struggling to read or compose emails in Outlook because the text feels too small? In this guide, I'll show you how to make the font bigger so your emails are easier to read and write. Start by clicking the New Mail button to open a fresh email window. At the top of this window, you'll see all your formatting options. Look for the text size dropdown. It's usually represented with a number and a small arrow pointing down. Click on it, and you'll see a range of sizes. Larger numbers mean bigger text. Select a size that feels comfortable for you. You can try a few options to see what works best for your eyes. This change will only affect the emails you compose. It won't change the size of emails you receive. If you want all text in Outlook to appear bigger while reading, you can also use your browser's zoom function or adjust your device's display settings. Making these adjustments gives you more control over your email experience and ensures your messages are easier to read and write. And that's all it takes. Now, your Outlook emails will be more comfortable to interact with. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more quick Outlook tips or quick